this might be one of the strangest outfits I've ever worn reporting, but there is a reason. Rain jacket, goggles, a hat, hard hat here, and that's because we're at the Hurricane Test Lab this morning in Riviera Beach, and we're going to be doing a test coming up. This is where they test the safety of things, and with all the activity in the tropics, that's when you need to check on things. So I am going to lose my microphone in a minute, but basically what this whole test we're going to show you is the winds will be about 50 to 75 miles per hour. We're going to walk back in them, and he's going to walk me back here. Let's go. All right, you're going to lose my mic, but we're going to show you a demonstration here. Let's walk back. These are hurricane force winds. So that's about 50 to 75 miles per hour, Felicia. And we're not going to be able to toss back to you. So there you go.
All right, Tori. Tori's been having a lot of fun out there this morning getting beaten up by those high winds, but it really just gives you a clear picture as to what we're dealing with. That's 75 mile per hour winds and Earl 145 mile per hour winds.